How to add a cinematic look in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your video clip into the timeline and make sure it's properly trimmed. Once that's done, go to the Color tab where most of the cinematic magic happens. Next, right-click on the node and choose Add Node, then Add Serial Node. Now, go to the OpenFX panel on the right and search for Color Space Transform. Drag and drop it onto your node. In the settings of the Color Space Transform, set your input color space and input gamma based on how your footage was shot. For example, if you are using Blackmagic RAW or Sony S-Log3, select the exact matching color space and gamma profile from the drop-downs menu. Then, set your output color space to rec.709 and output gamma to gamma 2.4. This will convert your flat or log footage into a standard video color space with richer contrast and more vibrant colors, forming a solid cinematic base. You can also enable tone mapping and gamut mapping to preserve highlight and color detail during the transformation. Now that your footage is in the correct color space, you can proceed with your grading, adjusting curves, applying LUTs, or using color wheels for that final cinematic polish. Starting with the right color space helps ensure more accurate results and avoids color clipping or unnatural tones. And that's it. Now you know how to add a cinematic look in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.